Hello and welcome to Scenic Hills. It's been a little while since I've been out here, and the last few weeks I've done a little bit more on the hillside here. Put a few grasses in the centre. I'm going to leave it where it is at the moment. The rest that needs to be done, I'll do that when I stick it in on the layout itself. Right, before I carry on with what I'm going to do today, I thought I'd show you what arrived in the mail. I've got these two kit set wagons to put together. They're both from the Model Railroader. They are of the MR&T. If you follow the Model Railroad magazine, you'll know what the MR&T is, the Milwaukee Racing and Troy Railroad. So I thought I'd get these. I need a refrigerated wagon for the meatworks. Need something that represents the meat being carried away. So I thought I'd get those. So I'll be putting those together in the coming weeks ahead. So I've got a refrigeration unit, and what is that? That's a gondola. So we've got a refrigeration unit, and if I've remembered that correctly, that's a gondola, I think. For some reason what that's called escapes me, but I'm pretty sure it's a gondola. So yeah, I'll be putting those together in the weeks ahead. But for today, what I'm going to be focusing on for today is this hillside. While it's rather light to pick up, and it's not that heavy, it is awkward to place in its position, and I need to be able to remove it from time to time so I can clean the slot car track underneath. So what I'm doing is, in 3 points on the hill, I've got some of those drywall fasteners, and I'm going to feed this braided galvanized wire and hang it from the ceiling so that I can then hoist it up out of the way. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I won't film myself doing it because I believe it's going to take quite a while to do, but that's what I intend to do. So I'll come back after I've done that. Well, this is the back of the hillside, and I seem to have found a method that works. Inside the mountain, you can make that out, there's a eye hook in there, and I've got the wire looped through it. And pull it back up through, and then drywall fastener. And once we've got it back through, just push the drywall fastener down into the hole, and then just get the rest of the wire that I need, and then, like I've done here, bundle up what I need, and then yeah, easier than I thought it would be. So I'll get the other one done and then get back to you. Okay, I've got all 3 of those wires in position. Next thing to do is to place the hillside on the layout. that's the hillside in position. You saw how difficult that was to get it in. It's light, but it's awkward. So those wires, once I put some pulleys on the ceiling, should make it a lot easier to lift it in and out. Well, the next phase is to carry on and revamp this area here just in front, and then get all the contours the same and carry on. So that'll be the next video. So thanks for visiting Sonic Hills, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.